So now, look. Now let us see the geometrical value. Look at here. When you draw y equal to x plus 3. Okay, we understood here minus 3 is a 0. Okay, when you draw the graph, look. I just substitute x equal to 0, 3, minus 3, 0. Okay, 2 points enough just for information. Okay, and you draw the graph 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. Here 0, x equal to 0, 3. That means here, right? 0, 3 here. Minus 3, 0 here. Okay. Then when you draw the graph, it comes like this. Anyway, it is a straight line, right? Because linear equation graph is straight line. Okay. So this is equation is x plus 3. Y equal to x plus 3. Okay, so here this graph is passing through, the graph is passing through minus 3, 0, correct or no? Clear now? Hello?
Yes.
The graph is passing through minus 3, 0. That means the 0 is minus 3. Are you okay? You understood or not? Now we,
Yes.
now we come to the class 10 portions. Okay, listen. The graph is passing through minus 3. That means 0 is minus 3. That means, listen here, the 0 of a polynomial means where the graph crosses the x-axis, its x-coordinate. Suppose the graph passing through like this. Okay, so this point, what is 0 here? Wait, what is 0 here? This graph, what is 0?
4.
4. It is 4. I told you, no, where the line, listen, the 0 of a polynomial, okay, is the x-coordinate where the graph intersects the x-axis. Where the line intersects the x-axis, its x-coordinate is called 0. Look, we manually we found x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3. This is called 0. And graphically, we found the graph is passing through minus 3. Okay, if the graph is passing through like this, then what is 0? 2. Because, okay, now my question, this line, how many zeros have? This line, how many zeros?
1.
Only 1, because the line passing through, because the linear polynomial is a straight line, correct or not? Straight line, not coming back to here. It's not coming to here, so it is going like this. That's why a linear polynomial has 1 and only 1 0. It is only 1 0. Clear now? How to find the geometry? Listen, the geometrical meaning is where the line intersects the x-axis, its x-coordinate, that is called the 0. Okay, Kevin, Kadir, Vishal, understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes,
Where
sir.
the line, where the line intersects the x-axis, that is called the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now, is it okay? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now look at here now. So that means linear, okay, I'll give a note this one. Okay, just after some explanation. Look. Now I'm going to do another graph. Look at here. Y equal to x square. Okay, y equal to x square. I'm just making a graph. Okay, listen here. First of all, before making graph, we need a coordinates. Okay. I just substitute minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 2. Here is 4. This one 1, 0, 1, 4. If I substitute here, it comes here one more value -3, 9. Here also 3, 9. Okay, this value is getting like this. Okay, now let us see. What I said before, 0 means where the line intersects the x-axis, its x-coordinate. Head is okay. What's your name? Head, right? No. Head. Bua. Okay. You're from which place? Iraq. Okay. Okay. The newcomers. Just I want to know. Sana, from which area?
Kerala.
Kerala, which area?
Kottayam.
Okay. South Misra.
Yes, sir.
You're from which area? India.
Sir, I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay. Now who are you? Bhargav. Bhargav. No.
So it's me, Pratik.
Pratik. Oh, so why you change the name? Come on, I thought news.
Sir, I didn't change the name. It's my father's account because by my
okay.
own account, it doesn't log
Okay.
in some.
Muhammad Faisal. Muhammad Faisal. You're from which area?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm from Karnataka.
Karnataka. Okay. So then who? Sarah Sheikh. Okay. Any new guys? Okay. Okay. So now we can see the board. Okay. Look at here. Look. Okay, look. Suppose I'm drawing a graph of y equal to x square. Okay. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 3. Okay, I told you the 0 means where the line intersects the x-axis, its x-coordinate. Keep in your mind that. Okay, where the line intersects the x-axis, its x-coordinate. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the graph. Look at here. Pick a small one. -2, -3, 1, 2. Yeah.
So
Come on.
once for the +3, it will be 9.
Yeah, 9, 9. Yes. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, look. -3, 9. I mark it here. -2, 4. I mark it here. -1, 1. Okay, 0, 0. 1 here, 2 here, 9 here, like this. So when you draw the graph, it comes like this. Right? It's not a straight line. Correct? No. Hey, when you draw the graph of these equations, this polynomials, we get it comes like this. Okay, clear now? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
It is not necessary always comes like this. Maybe it can come like this, crossing. And here, look, -4, -5, -6, -7, like that. Okay. It can be like or it can be like this. Okay. Okay. Now we found that means any quadratic polynomial. Listen, any quadratic polynomials, you learn a linear polynomial. When you draw the graph, it will be a straight line only. Okay. A linear polynomial, when you draw the graph, it will be a straight line. Okay. A quadratic polynomials, when you draw the graph, you get like this. Maybe just touches the x-axis. Here, crossing the x-axis, 2 places. Here, not touch. Okay. Now, it's not only like this. Maybe it comes this way also. Okay. Or just touch here. Or like this. So you confused. See, a quadratic point. See, linear polynomial only one graph, because straight line there is no different shapes, only straight line only. Correct or not? Wherever you go, straight line is straight line. Correct or not? Even you go to India or any other place, Ukraine or Russia or same only. You heard the news about the war, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
So which one you support, Russia or Ukraine? What's your mind?
Neutral.
Neutral. Why neutral, man? Come on. Why neutral? Actually, it is against the law, because Ukraine is a independent country. They have they can take their own decisions. Okay, correct or no? Why Russia involved in this? If it is allowed like this, tomorrow someone will attack us also. Correct or no? These people are. No, it's not correct. And also I wonder, this is modern 21st century, still war is going on between two countries, all human only. Very unnecessary killing and all. And another thing, funny thing, what is the role of UN? Correct or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
UN, there is no role. Okay, let us see now. Okay, now look here. First one we show one. This we call figure 1. Figure 1. This is figure 2. This is 3. Okay. You just compare 1, 2, 3. First figure, it just touches the x-axis. Just touch on. Here, crossing the x-axis at 2 places. Here, no touch. Okay. Here also same scenario, but what difference there is? What is the difference? This figure and this figure, what is the difference?
It's in the negative side, I guess.
No. What is the difference? The figure looks. What do your plan?
It's facing the opposite side.
One is
Goes through y-axis.
no. One is this is open up. Correct or no? This all 1, 2, 3 open up. Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4, 5, 6. The figure 4, 5, 6 open down. Okay. These type of graphs. Listen. This type of graphs, it is called a special name is there. I told you linear equation name is what? Straight line. Listen, linear polynomial, the graph shape is a straight line. Like that, in quadratic polynomial, one special name is there, that is called the parabolas. What do you call? Parabolas. P-A-R-A-B-O-L-S, parabolas. Okay, this all called parabolas. That means, important question, the shape of the quadratic polynomials, it is called the parabolas. Okay, and how we decide whether it is open up or open down? That's important question. Because we found some open up, some open down. Look, if a value depends on a value, look at it. 3x square. 3x square. What is the coefficient of a here?
0.
Hey, come on. Coefficient of x square is what?
Oh, 3. I
3.
said A.
Okay, that's why I started from the beginning now. The coefficient of x square is 3. Correct? Okay. 5x square minus 2x plus 1. What is the a here? A value?
5.
5. Okay. The value is 5. Okay. Actually, now the current board 10th is not at finish. Both batches there is ongoing and new also. So here this is that means a here 5. Here A is 3. If A is greater than 0, if A greater than 0, the graph open up. Clear now? A greater than 0, open up, or A less than 0, open down. That means minus 2x square, it will be open down. 2x square open up. Clear now? That depends on, that means if A greater than 0, parabola open up. A less than 0, parabola open down. Clear or not? Are you okay? So my question, minus 4x square plus 2x plus 1. When you draw the graph, this will be what shape? Open up or open down?
Open down.
Open down.
Open
Why?
down.
Because A is less than 0. Okay. Now, here here only 1 0 only, because just touching only one place. Here it will be 2 zeros. Look, minus 1, minus 4, minus 1. The graph is passing through minus 4. Look, I'll show you another one. Look. Suppose a graph passing like this. Okay. Here, how many zeros here?
2.
2 zeros, because the graph is crossing the graph crossing the x-axis at 2 places, minus 1 and plus 1. That means the zeros are what? Minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 are the zeros. For see, x square, look, x square minus 1. Look, x square minus 1. Listen here, one polynomial x square minus 1. How to find the 0? X square minus 1 equal to 0, x square equal to 1, x equal to plus or minus 1. So this will be the graph. See, x square minus 1, there is 2 zeros there is. Why? The graph is passing through 2 points, minus 1 and plus 1. So the zeros are minus 1 and plus 1. Okay, now here 3 question writes. Look, the question number 1, what are the zeros? Tell me. What are the zeros?
Minus 1 and plus
Minus 1 and plus 1. What are the coordinates of the zeros? What are the coordinates of the zeros? Come on. The coordinate of the zeros is what? Minus 1, 0 and plus 1, 0. Minus 1, 0 and plus 1, 0. And next question, number of zeros. How much? Number of zeros, 2. So that means, listen careful. Number of zeros, 2. Zeros are minus 1 plus 1. Coordinates, minus 1, 0 plus 1, 0. Clear or not?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Now, look, my question I'll ask, don't answer it, okay? Okay. Here, wait. Anubhava. Question number
Yes,
1. How many zeros here?
So 2.
Then, Daksh, what are the zeros? What are the zeros?
Negative 4 and positive 4.
Positive 4. Okay. What are the coordinates of zeros?
So me only
Yeah, you answer.
positive 4 and 0 and negative 4 and 0.
Okay, positive you don't need to say. You just say 4 0 and negative 4 0, like that enough. Okay. Okay. Now, so I hope clear now. That means a quadratic polynomial. A quadratic polynomial. Listen, a quadratic polynomial at most 2 zeros. It can be 2 zeros or 1 0 or no zeros. Okay. And the graph, the shape of the quadratic polynomial's name is called parabolas. It is open up or open down. If a greater than 0, open up. A less than 0, open down. Clear now? Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'll give the note. Just wait. Okay. Now, my question, just for information, how many zeros here?
4.
4.
So 1,
4 zeros.
2,
Four.
3, 4. Because four places it is crossing. Understood now? That's why I told you the number of zeros means where the graph crossing the x-axis. That is called number of zeros. Where the graph cross the x-axis, that is the zeros. Okay. My another question. Carefully answer it. Okay. How many zeros here?
Only one.
One.
1.
Sure? Are you sure?
One.
Check. How many places crossing?
Just three.
Two.
Three.
Three.
Okay, crossing 1, 2, 3. Okay, but my question is, my crossing, okay, agreed. 1, 2, 3. My question, number of zeros.
Sir,
You know,
1.
Only one.
So
Only
one.
one. Why? Where the graph cross the x-axis. Understand no? This one y-axis mark 5. Here y-axis mark 5. Only this place only the graph crossing. That's why only 1 zero. This is very important question. Where the line number of zero means where the line cross the x-axis only, not y-axis. Clear? Okay. Now we'll write. After that we'll write. Okay. Then after writing, otherwise we'll forget. Okay. Just important points we'll write. Okay. Take the notebook. Take a fresh notebook. Draw margin. Neatly draw margin. You have to keep this book. Okay. It almost end of this. End of this year, so you have to keep with the margin and all. Okay. Okay, right. Just directly write degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Okay. The highest power of a variable, because today is the basic class, you should know all, read it. Okay, then only can follow. Okay. Compared to class 9, this year is very easy. The highest power of a variable involved in the polynomial
Can you repeat?
the highest power. Okay, the highest
So is
power.
it involved?
The highest power, POWER. Okay, the highest power of a variable Can you hear me? Okay, now
Yes, sir.
the highest power of a variable involved in the polynomial. Variable involved in the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. So last year not. Okay, degree of the polynomial.
So could you repeat the involved in a polynomial?
The highest power of a variable involved in the polynomial is called the degree of the polynomials. Example: 3x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed plus 4x plus 1. Degree how much? You write here polynomial. Here degree. Okay, here degree 4. Write 2, 3 example. X squared, degree 2, 4, 3, x, degree 1, 4, 8, degree 0, Okay. Next, 0x raised to 8, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 degree 2. Write these examples. You write two column, one like this. Okay, make columns like this. Okay, polynomial degree. Here degree 4, degree 2, degree 1, 8, 0. Okay, here degree is 2. Okay. Okay. Now, right, linear. Then next, write another classification of polynomials. Classification of polynomials. Classification of polynomials. Type. Okay. Definition. Definition. Degree. Okay. Make column like this. Types. Types. Definition and degree. Okay. First one. Linear polynomial.
1 minute.
Okay. Okay. First one. Okay. With the scale neatly right. Okay. Finished now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First column we write linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. The definition you write. A polynomial is of the form. 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 A polynomial is of the form ax plus b, ax plus b, ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers. A and b are real numbers. A and b are real numbers, and a not equal to 0. A not equal to 0. Okay, what is your name? Soya, right? What is the spell? Soya, right? Okay. You're from which place?
Bangalore.
Okay. A polynomial, listen. A polynomial, listen, a polynomial is of the form. A polynomial is, listen, a polynomial of the form ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers, and a not equal to 0. Okay, right, degree 1. Degree place 1. Okay. One more column you make it. One more column you make it. Example. You can make one more. One more column, make examples. You write example. X, then x minus 1, 3x plus 1, like that. Okay. Clear now? Next, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Q, U, A, D, R, A, T, I, C. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Okay. A polynomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c a polynomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers. And a not equal to 0. A not equal to 0. Okay, degree what? No. Degree
2.
2.
So 2.
Degree 2. Write example. Example, you can write yourself. X square or 3x square plus 1. 3x square plus 2x plus 1, like that. Vishal, what do you write example? Hello, Vishal, what do you wrote? Hello, where is he? Vishal,
Yes, sir.
yeah, what example you wrote? Quadratic.
Quadratic.
Hmm.
Sir, I wrote 4x plus 5x plus 6x plus 7x.
Is it quadratic? I'm asking you, man.
What?
Quadratic. What is the definition you wrote?
So I was lagging, so I was about to ask you.
Yeah, where are you, in India or Kuwait?
In India,
Oh, you're in India. Okay. Okay. Linear, what you wrote?
linear, it's like where the constant is not equal to 0.
No. My question, linear definition, what you wrote?
Sir,
Hmm?
sir, my network connection is really poor, so
We didn't write anything. Seven. What do you write? Linear polynomial.
So a polynomial is of the form ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers, where a is not equal to 0.
Okay. Degree?
1.
1. Okay. Anyone? What is the quadratic polynomial? What you wrote?
A polynomial is of the form x square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers. A is not equal to 0.
Okay. Degree?
Degree is 2.
Example?
Example, x square or 3x square
Okay.
plus 2x plus
Vishal. This one, this actually last year, almost 1 hour I explained. No, quadratic means degree 2. Then when I ask you example, you're telling 4x, 3x, 4x. What is this one? The beginning itself, you should follow. Otherwise, if you have problem with the definition, how will answer it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Anaga, just read what you wrote. Only
Sorry, sir.
linear polynomial definition, example, and degree.
Okay, so linear polynomial definition. A polynomial is of the form ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Degree is 1. Example 3x plus 1, x minus 1, x.
Quadratic.
Quadratic polynomial definition. A polynomial is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Degree is 2. Example 3x squared plus 1, 4x squared plus 2x plus 1.
Okay. Which are you have to complete that. Okay, all definitions are okay. Zoya is okay. Finished. Sanita.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sarah Arshad. Sarah Sheikh. Okay.
So I got a
Siddharth.
picture of it from my friends. I'll write it down.
Okay. So that's okay. You finished the.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Said Muhammad. Clear
Yes,
now?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next one. You write next column. You write cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Okay. Type cubic polynomial. A polynomial of the form. A polynomial of the form. A polynomial of the form. A polynomial of the form ax cube plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are real numbers, where a, b, c, d are real numbers, and a not equal to 0, and a not equal to 0, and a not equal to 0, and a not equal to 0. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then degree column right 3. Degree column 3. Okay. Then example, you write example. Any example, x cube, 3x cube plus 1, any example. Okay. Okay. Then write biquadratic polynomial. By, then biquadratic polynomial. Okay. A polynomial of the form, right? A polynomial of the form ax raised to 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Ax raised to 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus c, where a, b, c, d are real numbers, and a not equal to 0, and a not equal to 0. Okay. Degree is 4. Degree is 4. Write example yourself. Okay, then right. Clear now? Up to here, okay. Okay, then next, zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial. P of x equal to x plus 3. P of 1 equal to 4. P of minus 1 equal to 2. P of 0 equal to 3. P of minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, right. This all right. Okay, you write P of x equal to x plus 3, P of 1 equal to 4, P of minus 1 equal to 2, P of 0 equal to 3, P of minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, then P of minus, right, P of minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, minus 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Minus 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Minus 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, then you draw a rough graph. Draw a rough graph. Not in a graph, not in a graph a paper, that, but with scale and pencil. Okay. 0, 3, minus 3, 0. Okay, if you want, you can give one more value, 2, 5, like this. Okay. You make a graph. If it's a not in the graph book. Zero, 3. Minus 3 is 0 here. 2 is 5 here. Okay, draw the straight line. It comes like this. So you write x plus 3, y equal to x plus 3. Okay, draw this one. Kadir, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Siddharth, is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, draw. Neatly draw, not neat graph. Okay. Then write. You write here. Just mark it here. 0. You put an arrow. Write 0 here. Put an arrow. Then write 0. 0 equal to -3. 0 equal to -3. Okay. Then write. It's clear. Are you okay now? You can follow now, right?
Yes, sir.
Just give an arc here. Don't put arc up here only. Okay. Then write. Thus, the 0 of the polynomial. Thus, the 0 of the polynomial. Thus, the 0 of the polynomial x plus 3 is the x coordinate of the point. Is the x coordinate of the point. Is the x coordinate of the point where the graph y equal to x plus 3 intersects the x-axis. Where the graph
Sir, could you repeat the point again?
okay, thus the 0 of the polynomial, thus the 0 of the polynomial x plus 3 is the x coordinate of the point where the graph y equal to x plus 3 intersects the x-axis. Clear or not?
Where the graph?
Where the graph of y equal to x plus 3 intersects the x-axis. Where the graph y equal to x plus 3 intersects the x-axis. Where the line, where is your line intersects the x-axis, that x coordinate is called the 0. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you repeat?
Where the graph 0 of the polynomial x plus 3 is the x coordinate of the point where the graph intersects the x-axis. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the line, see, don't write down. Suppose if the line crossing like this, then what is 0? If the line passing through 3, what is the 0?
3.
3.
So 3.
If the line passing through 5, what is the 0?
5.
5.
5.
If the line passing through 1.5, so 0 is 1.5, like that. Clear now? Okay. Then the graph of the linear equation, the graph of the linear polynomial is a straight line. The graph of the linear polynomial is a straight line. The graph of the linear polynomial is a straight line. Therefore, a linear polynomial has one and only one 0. A linear polynomial has the graph of the linear polynomial the graph of the linear the graph of the linear polynomial is a straight line. Therefore, a linear polynomial has only one zeros. A linear polynomial has one and only one zeros. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now linear polynomials Linear polynomials, only 1, 0, because it is a straight line passing the x-axis. Okay. Now, right. You make a graph, a small graph. Okay. Here, y equal to, listen, y equal to x square. In order to make many points, just for information only. Okay. But neatly make it. Okay. -3, -2, 1, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. Okay. Make the graph. Only one graph enough. Okay. Comes like this. Properly mark it. Okay. 0. Look. Nine, 4, 1, 1, 4, 9. Okay. Mark like this. Don't just draw, proper mark it. Okay. Okay. Then write a quadratic polynomial. A quadratic polynomial. The graph, right? The graph of the quadratic polynomial. The graph of the quadratic polynomial is called parabolas. The graph of the quadratic polynomials. The graph of the quadratic polynomials are called parabolas. P-A-R-A-B-O-L-A-S. Parabolas. The graph of the quadratic polynomials are called parabolas. P-A-R-A-B-O-L-A-S. Okay. Then after that, you make a rough small figures. Okay, like this. Okay, this is figure 1, figure 2, okay, figure 3, okay, here 4, then 5, 6, like this. Okay, 6 figure you mark it. Just pencil you can draw. Okay. Okay, draw first, then I'll give the note.
So finish.
Okay.
Done.
Okay.
Stop.
No, sir.
Okay, wait, I'll wait.
Done, sir.
Done.
Done.
Okay. So then a quadratic polynomial has at most two zeros. A quadratic polynomial has at most two zeros. A quadratic polynomial has at most two zeros. At most means what? Maximum two, maybe two or one or no zeros. Okay. A quadratic polynomial has at most two zeros. Okay. Then if a less than 0, if a less than 0, if a less than 0, if less than 0, parabola open down, open down. A less than 0, parabola open down. If a greater than 0, parabola open up. Parabola open up. Okay.
So could you repeat what you told?
If a less than 0, a means what? A means what? Hello? You confused now. What is a?
Sir,
A means what? We are discussing about which polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. We are why so not attending? We are discussing about the quadratic polynomial. In quadratic polynomial, standard form is what?
standard
Ax square plus
Ax
bx
square,
plus
a
1.
quadratic
A square plus
polynomial,
bx plus
ax
c.
square plus bx plus c. Right? See,
Yes, sir.
the problem is
Yes,
the beginning. You should be very careful about the all classes. The continuation next after that. Okay. Ax quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Here, if a less than 0, a means what? My question. A is what?
A is the constant.
Then b is not a constant. C is not a constant.
Not like
A-
that.
A means what? What do you call that? Anyone?
Coefficient.
Coefficient of what?
X square.
X square. A is the coefficient of x square. B is coefficient of x. C is constant. Okay. The coefficient of x square, that is A. A means coefficient of x square. Understand that. If A less than 0, if A less than 0, parabola open up. That's what I said. If A greater than 0, parabola open down. For example, minus 4x square plus 2x plus 1. When you draw the graph, this will be open down only. Okay. If it is 4x square plus 2x plus 1, open up. Clear or not? Now clear.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means open up or open down depends on the value of A. A means the coefficient of x square. Clear?
Yes,
yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Are you okay or not?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, look. So now here, this okay. See, I told you here. This one only 1 0. Only 1 0. Here 2 zeros. Here no zeros. Why? Because here touching only one place. Here crossing two places. Here no touch. That's why no zeros. That means number of 0 means where the parabola cross the x-axis. It's x coordinate. Clear? Where the line, where the graph cross the x-axis, its x coordinate is called zeros. Here no only 1 0. Here 2 zeros. Here no zeros. Okay. Open up or open down, that depends on the value of A. Okay. Now my question here. How many zeros here?
2.
2.
So two.
Okay. Here 2 zeros. Just mark it 2 zeros. Here how many zeros?
Zero.
Zero.
No.
Eh?
Zero,
No
sir.
zero.
No
No
zeros.
zero.
Okay.
Zero,
Here,
zero.
No.
No zero, sir.
here,
1 0.
only one.
One
Then
zero.
just
So
mark
1,
that.
0.
Okay, just mark that. 2 0, 1 0, no 0. Okay, so now this one, don't confuse you lot. Here no 0, here no, this one, look. Here zeros, 2. This one only 1. This one no zeros, like that. Okay. So now clear now? Okay. Okay, maybe confused. It is not necessary to come only here. It can be like this also, anywhere. Okay. Now my question, right? In figure, now one question, right? In figure, okay, in figure, the graph of the polynomial p of x as shown. The graph of the polynomial in figure, the graph of the polynomial p of x is shown. The graph of the polynomial p of x is shown. P of x is shown. Find the number of zeros. Find the number of zeros. Find number of zeros. Okay. Find the number of zeros.
So the graph of the polynomial
The graph of the polynomial is
x.
x. P of x is given. P of x is shown. You draw the graph here and write the number of zeros. Find the number of zeros. That means in this graph, how many zeros there? How many zeros here? Vishal?
So 1.
Only
One.
one, because this is no use. Here only x-axis, that is only one. Okay. Next one. Here, how many zeros?
2. 2, sir.
Okay,
Four,
you
zero,
mark it,
two.
you draw, keep in your notebook. Okay. Write in your notebook. Okay. That means here, 1 here, 2. Okay. Okay. Now, how many zeros here? I'll ask.
4.
And are you getting now?
Yes, sir.
How many zeros here?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope it clear now. Number of zeros depends on where the graph cross the x-axis. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, number of zeros depends on where the graph cross the x-axis. Okay, now here this is -3 plus 3. Okay, my question, this graph, what are the zeros? Here I'm calling 0, 1, -1, -2, 1, 2. Here is -4. Here is 4. Okay, don't write. Let me ask the question. Okay. Hello, Earth. Hello, Earth. Earth Patel. Hello. Are you here or not? Nandan.
Hello.
Ah.
Yes, sir. I'm the.
Okay, okay. Here, this graph, how many zeros?
So there are 2 zeros.
2 zeros. Which are the zeros? It's not clear for you?
No, sir.
Okay, wait. I'll clear the figure. Okay. Okay, tell me. How many zeros here?
So there are 2 zeros. The zeros are 2 and -2.
Okay. Everyone draw the figure like this. Draw the figure like this. Then everyone draw the figure like this. Okay, then right. The question is number 1. Number of zeros. Okay. Question number 2. Write the zeros. Write the zeros. Question number 3. Coordinate of the zeros. Coordinate of the zeros. Coordinate of the zeros. Coordinate of the zeros. Okay. What is the first question answer? Number of zeros is 2. Second one, write the zeros -2 plus 2, right?
Yes.
Okay. What are the coordinate of the zeros?
So
Coordinate the zeros.
and 2
-2, 0. What? -2, 0 and
2
2
0.
zeros. Okay. Okay. Just go through today's note. If anyone doubt any terms, tell me. I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay. Hello. Just go through your note. If any term you have doubt, tell me. I'll wait till 6, 7. Okay. Everyone, just go through the note. If you write something you're not getting, tell me. I'll do it now. Okay. Because this is a first class, you cannot go very fast. Based on only next class. Okay.
Sir,
Fine. Hello. Wait.
will you upload this video?
Yeah, I upload.
Okay, sir.
Another if greater than 0, show the, yeah, if a greater than 0, parabola open up. That means 3x square. 3x square open up. -3x square open down. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
that is very important point. If a less than 0, parabola open down. A greater than 0, parabola open up. Example, minus 2x square is down, 2x square up. Okay. Another point, listen, before joining next class, that means Sunday, you should have thorough about splitting the middle terms. We need now. You studied class 9, how to split the middle terms. Okay.
Sir, we have test on Sunday.
No, this Sunday, no.
Okay, sir.
The newcomers, I just inform, every Sunday you have a test at 9 o'clock, not 1 or 2 question only. Okay. So you have to write the answer and send to me in WhatsApp.
So, in the second one, what did you write?
Second one, write the zeros. That means -2 and +2. What are the zeros? Clear now?
Yes,
What
sir.
are the
Yes, sir.
zeros? Okay.
So I had a doubt in the polynomial.
Biquadratic.
Biquadratic, sorry.
That means degree 4.
Yeah, so in that will like if the degree is 4, then only will it be biquadratic or like
Biquadratic, yes. Degree 1, linear. Degree 2, quadratic. Degree 3, cubic. Degree 4, biquadratic.
so like it's only for 4, right? Not
Only 4,
above.
yes. Only 4. That's called biquadratic. Degree 4.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Just go through all the notes, because if the definition is wrong, everything is wrong. Okay. Check first. It's clear now? Any doubt? Anyone have doubt? Vishal, any doubt? Check the note and tell me. These are the
No, no.
definitions. These are the definitions I today discuss. What is a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial, zero of a polynomial, constant polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial, then linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, then value of the polynomial, zero of a polynomials, then number of linear polynomial graph is straight line, quadratic polynomial, parabola, if coefficient of x square, that is a, if a less than 0, parabola open down, a greater than 0 open down. This only we discuss. Anyone doubt? And another thing, number of zeros means depends on where the line or graph cross the x-axis, its x coordinate. Clear or not? That's important word. Where the line,
Yes, sir.
where the graph cross the x-axis, It's x coordinate, don't y coordinate, x coordinate. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is enough today. Check it all and make sure, because I have not time to teach again splitting the middle term. Next class we need that. Okay. You remember now how to split the middle term? Okay, that's we need.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is enough today.